Hello dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. The topic of the class is parity generator. In this class we will be seeing design 4-bit odd parity generator. Let us start the class. There are 3 steps for design of odd parity generator. First step is to write the truth table, simplify the K-map and then draw the logic diagram. So, let us see the truth table of 4-bit odd parity generator. So, how many inputs are there? 4-bit. So, input is taken as A, B, C, D, 4-bit input. So, for 4-bit input we can write total 16 combinations, that is varying from 0, 0, 0, 0 to 4 ones, 1, 1, 1, 1. So, likewise we can write total 16 combinations. So, I will just read it once. This total 16 combinations: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, double 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, triple 1, 1, triple 0, 1, double 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, double 1, double 0, double 1, 0, 1, triple 1, 0 and 4 ones. So, in this way we have written total 16 combinations for these 4 bits. What is an odd parity bit generator doing? It will check in this total message the number of ones. If it is odd number of ones are present, the parity will be 0. If even number of ones are present, the parity will be set to 1. That means the bits with parity, it should have odd number of ones. So, in this case if you see 4 zeros, so how many ones are there? No ones. So, we need to generate an odd parity. So, the parity bit is 1. So, in this total combination the number of ones is odd because of 1. Here in this combination 00001. So, in this combination the number of ones is odd, only 1 is 1 present, odd number of ones. So, the parity will be set to 0. In the third combination 0010, in this combination the number of ones is odd. When it is odd, parity is set to 0. 0011. So, number of ones is even. Even means odd, we have to make this as odd. So, where the parity is set as 1. So, the number of present including the bits and parity is 3 ones, which is odd. Now, 0100, number of ones is odd. So, parity bit is set to 0. Now, this condition 0101, number of ones are 2, that is even number of ones. So, parity will be 1 to make them odd. 0111, now let us see this condition. 0111, number of ones is 3, it means it is odd. Odd means the number of ones present is odd. So, parity will be set to 0. Now, let us see the last condition. When there are 4 ones in the bits, 4 bits are ones. So, the number of ones in this combination is even, and we are designing an odd parity bit. So, we will make this parity bit as 1. So, the total number of ones in this complete message will be 5 ones. So, it will be odd parity. So, in this way we have designed. So, if even number of ones are present, the parity will be 1. If odd number of ones are present, the parity will be set to 0. Okay. So, now we have got this parity column, which is output column. So, here where ones are present, we have listed them as list of min terms like this. So, parity is 1 at 0, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12 and 15. So by looking at this column P, output column, we have written where there are number of ones as list of minterms. The where ones represent 0, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12, 15. And now we are solving K map for parity P. Inputs are A, B, C, D. We have to write in this manner A, B, C, D. Now write the outer structure. It's a 4 variable, so we have taken 4 variable K map. So it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and we know the cell numbers. So this cell number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. We know the cell numbers and we have to fill this in the K map. At 0 we have to fill the 1. So we have filled it 1. At 3, 1, 5, 1, 6, then 9, 10, 12 and 15. So we have filled ones at 0, 3 like this, and while grouping we find that only single grouping is possible. So we are done grouping. So in this way, for this one we have to, what will be the term for this group? A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. We have written here as P is equal to A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. For this one it is A bar, B bar, C, D. So what is parity coming to be as? So parity is coming to be as A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar plus A bar, B bar, C, D. What is the next term here now? For this term, what is it? A bar, B, C bar, D. Okay. So likewise we have written it here. And taking A bar, B bar common in these two terms, it is common as A bar, B bar. So written as A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar plus C, D, A bar, B, C bar, D plus C, D bar plus A, B, C bar, D bar plus C, D plus A, B bar, C bar, D plus C, D bar. Okay. So after that, this is C bar, D bar plus C, D. This is an XNOR gate. XNOR gate is written as C XOR D the whole bar. So it is written as A bar, B bar dot C XOR D the whole bar plus A bar, B. Next time C bar, D plus C, D bar is C XOR D. A bar, B, C XOR D plus A, B. Now coming to this, it is again XNOR C XOR D the whole bar plus A, B bar, C bar, D plus C, D bar is C XOR D, C XOR D. So we have written the terms in terms of XOR. Now taking C XOR D the whole bar common, we are having A bar, B bar plus AB plus C XOR D common. What we are getting? A bar, B plus AB bar. So now look at this term, this A bar, B bar plus AB is XNOR gate, A XNOR B, which can be written in terms of XOR as A XOR B the whole bar. So we can write it as C XOR D the whole bar dot A XOR B whole bar plus C XOR D dot A XOR B. So if you look at it, it's looking as A bar B bar plus AB, which is an XNOR gate. XNOR gate is between A XOR B XOR C XOR D the whole bar. Okay. So how to do the logic diagram now? So first we need A XOR B. So it is given to an XOR gate to get A XOR B. Now we need to get the term C XOR D. So we have given C and D inputs to an XOR gate to get the term C XOR D. These two are given to an XNOR gate. So the output of parity will be A XOR B XOR C XOR D the whole bar, which is equal to A XOR B XNOR C XOR D. Okay, so the parity 4-bit parity odd bit parity generator equation is coming to be as P is equal to A XOR B XOR C XOR D the whole bar. Okay, so in this way we can design a 4-bit odd parity generator. I hope the design is clear. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section. Thank you. If you have good luck, students.